Hello students, today I am going to teach you all the product of two numbers using diagonal method. Okay, let us do it. I am taking an example. Okay, let us find the product of like 48 into 69. Suppose I have to find the value of this. So I am going to use the method, it's known as diagonal method. For this you have to draw a square. See, I have drawn a square over here. Now, if you see over here, 48 is a two-digit number. So I am making two columns. I am writing over here 4 and 8. 69 is also a two-digit number. I am making two rows. So over here I am writing 6 and a 9 over here. Now, you have to complete its diagonal in each square. So I have done it. Now you need to multiply 6 into 4, 24. So you have to write 24 like this. Means the ones digit will be always in lowest part. Okay? 6 into 8, 48. Over here. Now 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 8, 72. Till here it is okay. What you have to do next? 48 into 9, 69. You will get the answer over here. Now how to add up? Now in this diagonal region you have only 1 2. So I have a 2 over here. In this diagonal part you have 6 plus 7 plus 8. You need to add up. Over here in this diagonal region you have 3 plus 4 plus 4, and over here you have only 2. Now see what I am doing. There is only one digit 2, so I am writing it over here 2. Okay, it came over here. Now add up this. What is the sum of this? 13 plus 8 equal to 21. 1 will be written over here. 2 will go and add up to the sum of this number. This is 11. 11 plus 2. I am just adding it 2 over here. See, I am adding it 2. What is the answer? This is 13. Bring this 3 down. See, I am writing over here 3. Now, this is only 2. I am going to add up over here. So, the sum is equal to 3. I am writing it over here 3. So, the answer is 3. That is 3312. And you can check your work over here. You can see 48 times 69. Let us multiply it. 9 8 is 72. Carry 7. 36 plus 7 equal to 43. Now 6, 8 times 48, 4, 24 plus 4, 28. Add up 2, 1, 3, 3. So you got the same answer. I hope it is clear. Let us take another example. Okay, suppose we want to multiply like 345 by 678. Okay. Again for this you have to make a square. Okay. See, I have drawn it. Now this is 3-digit number. We have to make 3 columns. I made 3 columns. I am writing over here 3, 4 and 5. Now 678 is a 3-digit number. I am making 3 rows over here. So I am writing over here 678. Got it clear? Next, you complete the diagonal. Okay. Next, what you have to do? You have to multiply. Now, how to multiply? I have shown you earlier. 6 3 times 18. 8 will be written over here. 1 over here. 6 4 times 24. 24 4 2 over here. 6 5 is 30. 0 over here. 3 over here. 7 3 times 21, 1 and 2 over here. 7 4 times 28, 8 over here, 2 over here. 7 5 35, 5 over here, 3 over here. 8 times 3 24, 2 over here. 8 times 4 32, 2 over here, 3 over here. 8 5 is 40, 0 and 4 over here. Got it clear? Now what you have to do? You have to write the product of it. So 345 into 678. You will get the answer. Let us see how to add up. Next, first of all, in this diagonal part you have only 0. Over here you need to add up this diagonal. This is 2 plus 4 plus 5. Over here you have to add up this diagonal region. This is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0, whatever you have. Over here you have to add up this and write it over here. This is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. This part you will add up and write it over here. This is 2 plus 8 plus 2. And last you have only 1. Note it down over here. Next. Now see it completely. The sum over here, it is only 0. So I am writing it over here 0. Over here the sum is equal to 11. 11 one's place will be over here. Now add up this. 4 plus 3 7. Okay. 7 plus 8 15 plus 3 18. Look over here. 18. Now this one I will add it over here. This is equal to 19. 19 9 one's place will be written over here. Wait for this one. Add up over here. This is 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 7 12. 12 and this one I am going to add up over here. This is equal to 13. This 3 will be written over here. And add up this place. This is equal to 12 and this one I am going to add up over here. This is equal to 13 once again. This 3 I am going to write it over here. And this one I am going to add up over here. So I get 2. Now let us check it by usual method of calculation. 345 into 678. 8 5 is 40, carry 4. 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 4 36, carry 3. 8 0 24, 24 plus 3 27. 7 5 times 35, carry 3. 28 plus 3 31, carry 3. 21 plus 3 24. Okay, 6 5 times 30, carry 3. 24 plus 3 27, carry 2. 18 plus 2 20. Now add up 0 1 9. This is equal to 13. This is equal to 4 and this is 2. What mistake I have done? Let us check it out. Over here. No, this is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. So you got the same answer. Okay, I hope you have picked up the process. You can master this process only when you practice once, twice, thrice. Take the choice of your number and you can find it out. Okay, thank you very much.